Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Oluchukwu Inspired. Here in this channel, we'll be learning how to grow your content organically, and we'll be learning basics of editing. Like you don't know anything about editing, you know everything about capcut, keep bombarding your head. Here we are taking it very slowly and very gently. It's mostly for beginners friendly. Here you'll be learning basics of editing, how to navigate CapCut interface, use their features and everything. And here today on this video, I'll be teaching you how to blur your background, just in case, you're not making videos because your background, you're not proud of your background, you don't like your background, and not that aesthetic, and you don't want people to be seeing your background. I will be teaching you how to blur your background. And then when you stick more to this channel, you will also keep learning how to edit your videos. So without boring you with too much talk, let's get in. Okay, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to blur your background. First thing I want to do with this video is too long and it has a voice, and I want to mute the voice. Okay, yeah, let me mute the voice. You see, it has a voice, so let me just mute it. Click on mute clip. Once you click on mute clip, all the clips are muted. Now and again, this video is too long. I'll just delete some parts because this is just for tutorial purposes, right? This video is up to 2 minutes, so I'll just split it. Remember how I taught you about split? I'll just split and delete this other part, then we'll work with this little one. I would also highlight and delete a CapCut logo or watermark. So now this is how you blur your background, assuming I don't want people to see this background. Of course, there's nothing in my background, but I want to teach you how to blur your background, right? Now, the first thing you need to do is you duplicate this video. Now, if you want to duplicate this video, the video is highlighted. You just come down to these features, you scroll up. Once you scroll up, you see duplicate. You duplicate it. Now, once you duplicate it, now the duplicated part, you overlay it. Let me overlay the duplicated part. The one I duplicated is still highlighting. Now you still scroll up a little bit, you will see overlay. You click on overlay. You see this one now will now overlay, right? This one now will now just come under the first video. So what you need to do is just to drag it to fit into the other video. Now you click the first video. Now you check on, for me, I love using, I'll just come straight and search for blur. Okay, just click on this search. Now when you click on search, you search for blur background. See, I already have it on my search bar. Look at it, blur background. I'll just click on it. You see plenty blur background. You see plenty blur. Now you just take anyone. For me, I'll just use this blur. Look at this second blur. I'll just click on it and allow it to apply, right? Once it applies, I'll just allow it. I don't want it to be too distant, so I'll click on done. I will highlight the second video. Now, once I highlight the second video, I will scroll down and I will see remove background, remove BG. You just click on remove BG. It will show you automatic remover. You click on automatic remover and give it some minutes to apply. You see it has applied. Once it applies, now you have your blur background. You see the video has blurred, like your background is blur. What is in your background won't be showing that much. Okay, so you see, so that is how to blur your background and have a very cute, sweet video, and without people viewing your background, just in case your background is not neat, is not that aesthetic background, that kind of thing. So you just blur your background this way. So in the next video, tell me what you want me to teach you in the next video, because remember, we are learning the basics of CapCut for strictly for new beginners who don't know their whereabouts on CapCut, like who want to learn the basics of editing on CapCut. Okay, So see you in the next video. My name still remains Oluche Inspired. If you like this video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.